Hey friends, this is Evie and my name is Awilda. In today's video we're going to be testing out these mini brands Really Work Magic Cook Kitchen. I am excited to test these out and see if they will work and are truly Barbie sized. So the first one we're going to be unboxing here is going to be the waffle maker. I'm super excited to see if this is something that would be useful in my kitchen. Here's a list of the items that you can collect from this set. See here, it's a little bit bigger than what the doll is. I was hoping for it to be a tiny bit smaller, but it's not too bad. It does come with this packaging here, which I think is the waffles or the plate. It also comes with these little berries, blueberries, and what looks like to be raspberries. It also comes with waffle mix. So I'm assuming what you do is you just take one of these and place it in the waffle pan. So it looks like this is super pliable, or it feels super almost like Play-Doh, you can say. And I'm assuming what you do is you just place it in here and then you kind of like ball it up and then place it in the center, then squish it down to make the Play-Doh, and then you just turn this on. I'm assuming for a few seconds, I'm not too sure for how long, and then you should have some waffles. So let's just check it. Oh. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, I didn't center it very well, but yeah. It looks like it only does the one side, so that's really cool. And then I'm assuming you just place the Play-Doh parts, or the waffles, the berries, I'm sorry, the berries on top. And that's it. Now overall, my opinion of this is kind of neutral. I do like that this has this fun little make it mini version of it. It's a cute little waffle maker. I like it a lot. I like that it has that blue light and you can just shut it off. I think just a little bit of a con is the waffle doesn't stay open. It kind of wants to slam shut again. So sometimes, just for personal preference, I think that I would like to leave it open until I'm going to close it and then close it. The other thing I noticed is that when you do close it with the Play-Doh on the inside or the dough inside, it's a little bit of a tough, it doesn't close all the way, but it's not a big deal. It's not a deal breaker or anything. It's just, it doesn't close all the way. Opinion of the waffle maker is that I do like the waffle maker. It is very cool. It's a little bit oversized for Barbie, but it's doable. I do like the plate with the waffle inside. It's fun for photos and great as a prop. Overall, I would give this maybe a 3 out of 5. Very average, very nice. I did notice that once the waffle maker is dry or cooled off, that the browning goes away, which is cool. So that means that maybe in future projects I can definitely reuse the waffles over and over again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe and also click the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post future videos. I try my best to post multiple videos throughout the week, but for sure at least once a week I post a new video. Until next time guys, I hope you all have a great day and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!